Hi guys, good evening. It's quite tough to understand all the words spoken by foreign commentators, especially the cricketers like the Michael Hussey, okay, um, Adam Gilchrist, Ricky Ponting, Steve Smith, okay. So the US and Australian accent are quite similar, okay. If you know any one of it is quite easily you can understand, okay. But I am telling you again, this is totally different than the British, okay, or Indian. Indians become language from British, okay, but the US Australian totally different than the British pronunciation. Got it? So let's go ahead, okay. See, this is what is this? We Indians call it creature, okay, but R is never pronounced. Call it creature. Okay, what creature? Got it? Next enjoy. Mostly we spell is very high level, okay. Actually, it is enjoy. Enjoy, okay. Got it? What do you mean call it? You call it Germany, okay, but R is never pronounced. It's called Germany, okay. R is never pronounced. It's Germany. What is this one? This is gadget, right? And the very important thing, CAN. We call it can, okay, but in US it is CN. It is spelled CN, okay. Every in the Hollywood or even the commentary, and they people never call you I can. So it become can, right? Got it? Next is you are. What will be you are? Guess it. If you are watching the so much Hollywood movies, so you might recognize this. Okay, even the soccer commentary or baseball commentary, or even the Australian cricket, you are also watching the Big Bash League something. What is this one? This become a year. Okay, what is called you are? You are is called like you are a boy. Okay, you're a boy. You're a boy. In American, something called right. You're a boy. Got it? And the second thing, another thing is and. Okay, so and is called an. Okay, and D is never pronounced like uh, uh, yeah, bread and butter. Okay, like this one. So American call it bread and butter, bread and butter. Okay, but it is another rule I'm telling you. Okay, I told you, D is not a spoken, but just like D double T R. Okay, when there is two vowel, okay, U and E are another vowel, and between these are two things T, so it become D. Got it? So it's become butter, butter, right? Got it? So next is or become what R, only R, okay, R, okay. So another very important rule is the DR rule. Okay, when there is any words starting with the DR, it is become J. In American, okay, not in Indian. Indian can anything speak here, no issues. So we Indian call it drink, but it is drink. Got it? Drink. Hmm? Okay. The same thing a dream, it is dream. Drama. Drip. Another now rule become this one. See, I just recently told you uh, when the T is between two vowels, okay, it become D. 2D. It become do. Y, yes, there is a Y, but it is a spell like a vowel, okay. So vowel and consonant is always depend on the voice, okay, not of writing. If you even went to any English medium school, so voice, vowel and consonant based on the voice, not on the writing. Got it? So it become duty. The same with the WATR. What become water? Got it? One important thing, HUNDRED. We Indian call it 100, but D is never pronounced this one. 100. 100. Okay, got it? Americans. Next is thoughts and M. This word is a very much pronounced different thing. Okay. Last is not. So you can call Thasan. Okay, Thasan. D is never pronounced. Thasan. Even the Australian call it Thasan. Okay, got. If you look at the Steve Smith or Ricky Ponting, they Thasan they call it, right. What is this one? uh, T is not pronounced generally between vowel and consonant, so it is called internet, right. It is internet. God is T is not pronounced. What do you mean by this one? We call it root, okay, in Indian, but this is not correct. This is route. Got it? This is route. What is this? ROUT. This is route. Got it? Never call it root. Okay. And the same thing with uh, interview. We Indian call it interview, but in American it is T, never pronounced easy. Inner view. Inner view. The same with international. Okay. Got it, guys? Great. If you want to learn American English, I just take 499. You can just text me on, okay, on the Telegram. Deepak UPSC 1234 T.me. Okay. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.